Oh, here's a nice Stoich question. So it says zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, single replacement reaction, so you're going to get zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, zinc chloride I think is aqueous. I'd have to check that. Let's balance things. I need a 2 there. I think that's balanced. Okay, I've got 25 mils of HCl, and the concentration is 4 moles per liter. Then they say, how many grams lighter will the zinc be after all the HCl reacts? I guess all they're looking for is the mass of zinc, just how much will react. So there might be a big chunk of zinc. Once all the acid is used up, then the stoichiometry will tell you how much of the zinc reacts. Okay, so it looks like I'm starting with a liquid, so I'm going to need to convert to moles and then go across the river, of course, and then I want mass, so I have to go up to there. So step 1 is to take the volume and the concentration of HCl and convert it to moles of HCl. So our formula will be moles is equal to C times V. So it's 4.0 moles per liter times the volume, 0.025 liters. Liters cancel, and I think that comes out to 0.100 moles. You might have to check me on that. I'm not using a calculator. So let's see if we're close. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2 will be to take the moles of HCl and using the mole ratio, convert it to moles of zinc. It looks like the ratio is 2 to 1. Okay, so I write what I have, 0.100 moles of HCl is what I have. Now I want to go to zinc, so 1 mole of zinc is used up for every 2 moles of HCl. Okay, so divide that by 2, it'll be 0.050 moles of zinc. The moles of HCl cancel. So I'm here now. Last step to go up to there. So step 3, I'm going to take the moles of zinc and the molar mass of zinc, that's other information I need, and convert that to mass of zinc. Okay, bringing in the periodic table. Don't need this side, I might need that side. So moles are equal to mass over molar mass. So mass are equal to moles times molar mass. The moles I have is 0.050 moles times the molar mass of zinc. Right there, 65.41. 65.41. Okay, so if you multiply those together, I don't know what that comes out to. I'm calling it like 3.25 something. Anyway, you can do that on your calculator. And this is grams per mole. Moles cancel, you're left with grams. And in the question, looks like I have 2 sig figs everywhere. Oh, I saw the answer. That was close. So 3.3 grams rounded to 2 sig figs.